Coming soon. The dawn of a new era. Peace, love, unity. In celebration of full free. Brain, brawn, and beauty. It's our Golden Jubilee, snapshots of post-independent Jamaica 1962 to 2012. The Jamaica Information Service traces our history from independence to 50 in pictures.
This book is a collector's item. It doesn't really matter what the cost is. I think every Jamaican is going to want to have one. It should be in every library, in every school. And I can tell you, it is going to go like hot bread.
Place your orders now. Call 926-3590-3 or visit www.jis.gov.jm.
It's important. It's important to have this kind of record in a society which throws away things from our past. And so this book is for me a delight because it recreates some important moments from the past.
Our Golden Jubilee, snapshots of post-independent Jamaica 1962 to 2012. Another first-class product of the Jamaica Information Service.